Walking through the woods, the kids were birds. I heard the words flying, soaring up over the trees. And everything I sought to gain brought pain, the same game, but I played it all back on repeat. Walking through the woods, the kids were birds. I heard the words flying, soaring up over the trees. And everything I sought to gain brought blame, the same shame, and I'm spiraling down with the leaves. What a selfish way to proceed. But what could I be except for myself, you see? Nothing when everything's fine, everything's fine. The cardinals call and the reddy robins rush. The blush and the fall and all the dreams we had to leave behind crushed. The river cried crystal tears, my eyes stayed dry for many years, running from my hopes and from my fears. Everything I thought I was not, because my love of doves was coming from a place I'd not seen clear. What a far away way to be near. But what could I know except for what you'd shown me? No, not everything's fine, everything's fine. The cardinals call and the reddy robins rush. The blush and the fall and all the dreams we had to leave behind crushed. The way here before me may nevermore adorn me with roses so thorny nor sweet. The way here before me may nevermore adorn me with roses so thorny nor sweet. The way here before me may nevermore adorn me with roses so thorny nor sweet. The way here before me may nevermore adorn me with roses so thorny nor sweet. The birds lost the lessons, help me see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more songs, because I'm going to upload more songs. Lots of them. So, see you soon.